In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a work form with Monday AI, diving into all the essential steps you need to craft an efficient work automation system. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to access WorkForms. Start by logging into your monday.com account. Once you're in, locate the board where you plan to connect your form. From there, click on plus add view, then select WorkForm. This will take you directly to the WorkForm builder, where the magic happens. Once you're in the builder, you'll find two main areas, the left panel and the right preview. The left panel is your toolbox. Here you can add a variety of fields like name, email, dropdowns, and text. The right side offers a live preview so you can see exactly how your form will look. Go ahead and add essential fields such as full name, email address, describe your request, and priority level. And here's a pro tip. Mark any crucial fields as required to make sure you capture all the essential information. Next, let's talk about making your work forms even smarter with Monday AI. Once your form is linked to a board, you can utilize AI-equipped columns or automation features to process responses intelligently. For instance, you might implement an AI summary block to automatically digest long answers or use AI categorization to classify different types of requests, such as bug reports or feature requests. Another striking example is AI rewrite, which polishes raw responses into client-ready messages. For the next step, you'll be adding AI-powered columns. Head back to your connected board, click on plus add column, and then choose an AI column. You'll find templates like summarize item description, generate next steps, or categorize content automatically. An excellent example would be using summarize the request details submitted through the work form. This means that every submission will be automatically processed, saving you time and effort. To further enhance the functionality, you can implement AI automations. Open the workflow builder under automations. Set up your trigger as when new item is created via work form. Then introduce an AI block like summarize this response in one sentence. Follow this with an action to post summary in updates section. This ensures an efficient, automated handling of every submission, eliminating the need for manual intervention. Now let's give your work form some personality to align with your brand. Change the colors, logos, and button styles to match your aesthetics. Update the title and description, make the URL shareable, and don't forget to use a welcoming tone. Before going live, make sure to test the form. Click Preview Form, fill in sample data, and submit it to verify